Welcome. Cancer used to be considered an incurable disease, often leading to the demise of many patients. However, recent studies and data now show that curing cancer is possible and patients can return to a normal life. This information comes from renowned scientist and cancer expert Dr. William Lee, whose research offers hope and insights. Cancer can escalate rapidly, especially when it receives proper nutrition and blood supply. For instance, breast cancer can develop to a size of 1 centimeter, containing up to 1 billion cancer cells, showcasing how quickly it can spread. Immunotherapy, a type of cancer treatment, shows varying results. Some patients respond well, while others do not despite similar demographics and health conditions. The key difference was found in the presence of a bacterial strain called Akkermansia muciniphila in the gut's mucus layer, particularly the initial section of the colon. Patients with higher level of this bacteria responded better to immunotherapy. When scientists injected Akkermansia muciniphila from recovered patients into mice who did not respond to the treatment, the mice showed improved immune reactions, indicating the bacteria's significance in cancer treatment. To naturally increase Akkermansia levels, certain foods can be consumed. For example, pomegranate juice or seeds, cranberry juice or dried cranberries, Concord grapes, red chili peppers, and Chinese black vinegar. These foods help boost Akkermansia in the gut, vital for fighting cancer. Daily DNA replication errors could potentially lead to cancer. Healthy immune system often eliminate these microscopic threats before they turn into tumors. However, a weak immune system or gut bacteria imbalance raises cancer risk, emphasizing the importance of gut health. Despite daily mutation, our body's defense system, endowed by nature, work tirelessly from birth to protect against cancer. Regular self-examination like breast checks for lumps can aid in early detection and treatment, ensuring timely medical intervention. Cancer extends its reach beyond the ability of our immune system, demanding a synergy between treatment and a robust immune defense. Strengthening our body's natural response is vital, heralding new avenues for research. The progression of cancer relies on healthy blood vessels supported by adequate nutrients. Our body's angiogenesis system cleverly decides where and when blood vessels should form. A tiny tumor just 1 centimeter boasts a network of 1 billion cells and 100 million capillaries supplying it. In labs, when a vessel touches a microscopic tumor, within 2 weeks it multiplies 16,000 times. So, what we can do? Primarily, bolster our immune system through a wholesome diet, regular exercise, and an improved lifestyle, effectively destroying microscopic cancer. Secondly, incorporate anti-angiogenic foods like black coffee and tea, which contains potent compounds that cut off cancer's blood supply, starving it. These foods inhibit cancer spread. Research from Cornell University reveals a 13-year study on normal weight Swedish women revealed the skinny fat, slim externally but internally fat heavy, had thrice the breast cancer risk due to fat-induced inflammation fostering cancer growth. This risk is not confined to breast cancer alone. It extends to 14 other cancer types, including colon, ovarian, lungs, and prostate cancer. Visceral fats nestled between liver, stomach, colon, and intestine expands expressing organs. Excess fat suppresses its blood supply, becoming hypoxic, triggering inflammation across the body. Externally slender, internally organ compression occurs, leading to leaky inflammation, aiding cancer. Angiogenesis undergoes a powerful defense with 60,000 miles of blood vessels, ensuring nutrition and oxygen reach every cell. Intake of healthy substances circulate through these vessels, whereas harmful ones do too. This delicate balance highlights the significance of mindful consumption. Examining the detailed interplay of endothelial cells within blood vessels sheds light on cardiovascular health. The endothelial layer is key for seamless blood flow but can be compromised by high blood pressure, diabetes, and unhealthy habits. Such damage leads to particles sticking to vessel walls, causing narrowing and disrupting circulation. Angiogenesis, or the creation of new blood vessels, is vital for supplying tissues with oxygen and nutrients. However, when directed towards cancer cell, it can accelerate tumor growth by providing necessary resources. Emerging cancer research focuses on decoding tumor DNA to identify mutations that derive the disease. AI technology helps separate cancer-specific mutation by comparing them with those in normal cells. These breakthroughs enable the creation of personalized proteins targeting these mutations. Injected into the body, these proteins activate the immune system to produce antibodies that fight the cancer. These advancements are not just theoretical, they are being confirmed through clinical trials. Nature Communications has published studies showing promising results for over 100 brain cancer patients. Glioblastoma, a highly aggressive brain cancer, has seen patients achieving remission due to these personalized vaccines. Personalized cancer vaccines are thus revolutionizing treatments, offering hope whose none existed before. Stay tuned to our channel for more cutting edge research updates.